2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play California Dreamin' by the Mamas and the Papas. Cool. Awesome song. Let's start with putting a capo on 4th fret, please. We get some nice open chords. Regular tuning, 4th fret capo. Okay. Let's do the beginning last, the picking part. Let's go with the chords first. A minor shape, first finger, second finger, third finger. G major, second, third, pinky. F major, first, second. I'll play F like this. Back to G. And then we have an E sus 7 chord to the E7. So that's first finger, second finger. For the sus we need second finger, second fret on the G, and lift it up, make it E7. And the second part, we have F, 2 hits on F, then C, E7, A minor, back to F, and then that's sus again. It's gonna resolve to the 7 chord. Alright, so let's go with the chords on time. 1, 2, 3. A minor, G, F, G, E7, F, F, C, E7, A minor, F, E, A minor, G, F, G, F, F, C. Strumming pattern. Down, 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 up to the down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. That picking part in the beginning is 2 on the D string, 2 on the G string, an open B. So 4, 3, 2, 3, and then pinky on the B string, 3rd fret, and then 1st fret, and then open again. to E7. 3 again. That's all the chords and the format. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more classic hits. Be well. Be safe. See you soon.